Next week's budget meeting will have supplementary paper for discussion on the business agenda, reports for discussion, evaluation of the Halavaka Kimbunwina Development Partnership Arrangement final report from the Public Expenditure Committee on the midterm review of the Niue government 2009 to 2010 budget, and questions will follow, with Common Role member Terry Coe asking how many regulations have been passed by Cabinet and not brought to the Assembly in the past 12 months. If the reef is closing down the fish factory, where does this leave the Premier with his proposed fishing venture? Why are the petrol and diesel prices increasing so rapidly? When are the youth parliamentarians going to hold their next Assembly meeting? When is the GM3 mobile phone system going to be up and running to cover the whole island? What is the story of the private sector employment scheme, and when is it going to be implemented? And when is Niue going to file its claim for .nu following the meetings here in Niue? These will be followed by motions from Mr. Coe. Firstly, that the Premier and his Cabinet review the Tax Act and implement a tax-free earnings of all private and public service personnel, a 10% tax rate for companies, and a 10% NCT across the board for all registered businesses starting on the 1st of July 2010. That the Niue taro growers are given from government funding at least 50 cents a kilo from the 1st of July 2010 for taro exports under the present private sector. That the retiring age of all public servants be left at 60 years of age, with a right to retire early at the age of 55 years. And that the Premier action the purchase of at least one bulldozer he stated was forthcoming from FAO last year because of the unacceptable situation with the present machines. That will be broadcasted on Radio Sunshine on Wednesday.